Hi guys, it's Joe. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you what's included in your September 2020 Club La La Land Crafts kit. And so if you haven't seen a previous kit video, I'll put a link in the description box below. It was the August kit. So let's just get started. So you will get your monthly kit in this gold envelope, and then what's included, you'll also be receiving this thick postcard that says Club La La Land Crafts, and on the other side it says thank you for subscribing. So it's a really nice thick like dashboard that you can use also to organize your kits. So you'll also be getting this product info sheet here. So in this kit you'll get 2 stamp sets and 3 dies, and it's a value of $74.99, and you have several options on this kit. So you could either get the full kit, the stamp only kit, or the die only kit. Along with this subscription you'll also be getting exclusive project tutorials. So the actual card will have a link to where you have access to that. So yeah, so the kit here has one Marcy stamp set and then also a Critter stamp set. So the first stamp here is Marcy with laptop, and she's so cute. It's like a working at home theme. So she has her cute little chair, and then she's sitting on it, and she has her laptop, and it comes with about 4 sentiments. And then here you have the Critters. It's the Getting Things Done stamp set, and you have these piglets on a desk, a laptop, and it carries a briefcase, and it comes with 6 sentiments. Then onto the dies, you'll get three of them, and the first one is Retro Lamp, so it has nice detail, and then here's your lamppost base. And then the next one is called Retro Desk, and that drawer actually does cut out, so you could do different things with that. And then lastly, desk accessories. So it has a pencil cup with a pen, a ruler, a stack of books. You get this cute monitor, a coffee mug, and this cute little stitched heart. So that die set is all included in your kit. So again, you can choose to just do a die kit only, or you can do here you can do just the stamps, and the stamps here again, here is that cute little Marcy, and it's a nice size. It's all cling mount rubber stamps, so you just peel off the back and you adhere that to your acrylic block or your little stamping tool if you have one. But yeah, there's a cute little chair and then the sentiments around it, and then here are the little piggies, and it's a nice size. You can see how big it is compared to my hand, and it comes with 6 sentiments. So again, you get the full kit, or you can choose stamps only or dies only. So here is the first card, and I used Marcy with laptop, and she's sitting in her cute little office chair, and I colored all the images with Copic markers, and there is the lamp and the stitched heart. I paper pieced that, and then I colored the lamp base and the post, and then there you can see the desk. Here is a window frame that is actually a Polaroid die from Photo Elements, and then the sentiment there is "You've got this." And I did a little, it's hard to see because it's really bright in the video, but I did do some clouds in the background with the clouds border die, and I used it as a stencil. So you can see there's the baseboard there on the wall, so I just used the large stitch tags, and I cut like a 1/2 inch so I can get that stitching detail. And then I did the flooring with the horizontal pocket die. I just used the smaller rectangle, included that set just to make it nice and clean. And then Marcy and the chair are on foam adhesive dots, so that there's a little bit of dimension there. And the papers that I used for both cards are from the Golden Sunset paper pack. It's a 6x6 paper pack, and it's available at La La Land Crafts, and it's a nice retro feel to it, so I used one of the pattern sheets as like a wallpaper. So here is my next card, and I used one of the piggies, and he is with a laptop, and I thought it was really cute to put him on like some kind of floor cushion or beanbag. So that actually is a cloud die cut, and the die is from Stitch Sun and Clouds die set. So I used the larger of the cloud and I colored that, and then there's the books, the coffee mug, and the pencil cup that mimics like a glass, and that's colored with Copic markers. Here again is the retro lamp, paper piece that, and here is the desk. I popped out the drawer there so that I could insert some of the items, the pencil cup, the pens. I did 2 pens. There's the stitched heart. And then that little head phone is actually Marcy's headband and her ears. So at first glance I thought it was headphones, and then I'm like, wait, no, that's her ears. So then I just turned it into headphones, and I colored it, cut it out, and I stuck it in the drawer. There's another drawer piece there that I used as a monitor riser. There's the monitor. The sentiment is everything is under control. There's the books and another coffee mug with some white dots. And then you can see the dimension there is on that card. And yeah, so that is the second card for using the September kit. I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal here. So I'll put my blog link in the description box below, and that blog post will have all the Copic markers, all the links to the products that I used in that write-up there. So you have till September 30th to sign up for this kit, and it's a really great deal. You get the stamps, and then you get the coordinating dies. You get your best value if you just get the whole kit. But again, like I mentioned, you can choose to just do all stamps or all dies. And so yeah, so I'll put the links in the description box below. Stay tuned for more projects, and I'll see you soon.